Hello, Chef Christopher Carey here from the Columbia College Culinary Department. In this series, we've been talking about the differences between the same cooking methods and how they relate to each other. So today, we're going to talk about grilling versus broiling. What's the similarities? They're both direct cooking method. That means the flame is actually open and touching and cooking the food, whether it's natural gas or wood or charcoal, if we're outside. What's the difference? Big difference is this. In boiling, the heat comes from above. In grilling, the heat comes from the bottom. In boiling, the temperature tends to be much, much hotter. It cooks the food a little bit faster. In French, we call it gratiner, which means to brown. So think of French onion soup, and we want to just brown this cheese that's on top of it. The broiler is the perfect piece of equipment for this browning. That's the name gratiner. But we want to grill a steak. The broiler could work, but it could be too thick and the temperature could be too high, so we would burn the steak. Thus, we want to use our grill, where the flame comes from below. It is a little bit less intense of heat, and we can control it a lot better than we can with the broiler. Some broilers have temperature settings. Some broilers just go to high and off. With a grill, we can adjust the temperatures to cook various foods, such as chicken, beef, vegetables, or fish. Both have their advantages and disadvantages. Now you know the difference between grilling and broiling.